Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana launched this year is aimed at enabling the allocation of LPG to the below poverty line households. The move is also aimed at reducing women's health problems due to the smoke from traditional ways of cooking. With people's active participation, the scheme has brought happiness into the unnumbered families of poor households across the country.
The Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, a scheme to enable the allocation of LPG to below poverty line households and to ensure that they replace the use of fuels such as kerosene, coal, fuel wood, is making headlines these days. The move is aimed at reducing women's health problems due to smoke from traditional ways of cooking. Besides, it will also help in saving trees, improving health, and also co-benefit the climate. Under the scheme, intensified efforts are underway to provide free LPG connections to poor households across the land. This is Vidarbha region of Maharashtra. Here, 17,000 households and 64 villages have been made smokeless after they were provided LPG connections.
पहले चूल्हा जलाते थे सब लोग तो धुआं वगैरह लोगों के नाक कान में जाते थे और तबीयत खराब होती थी. अभी गैस से बहुत फायदा हुआ है.
Under the Indian Oil's pilot project of Smokeless Village, free LPG connections are being provided in various villages in Maharashtra, helping to improve the living conditions of below poverty line households. This will also help in empowering women.
केंद्र सरकारने जे हे गॅस योजनेचे फायदे काढले आहेत यामुळे आम्हाला खूप फायदा होत आहे आणि खूप लाभकारी पण आहे हे सगळे जे योजना काढली आहे ती आणि हे गॅसमुळे आपल्याला खूप चांगले परिणाम मिळाले आहेत.
The scheme is touted to be a game changer as it could free households such as these from the health hazards of inhaling smoke from chulhas fueled by firewood. Meet Zarina Khatun, living in Dubari village of Mao district of Uttar Pradesh. She was among those fortunate women who were given an LPG connection by the Prime Minister himself. Zarina is now a happy woman, well rid of cooking food on firewood chulhas.
तो बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं कि हमको गैस पे दिए खाना बनाने के लिए. उससे अच्छा हमको कहाँ सुविधा मिलती थी, चूल्हे बनाते थे.
Thanks to Ujjwala Yojana, Zarina, a mother of 6, is now well protected from the health hazards of inhaling smoke from chulhas fueled by firewood. The credit for the success of the scheme also goes to those who have voluntarily given up their LPG subsidies. Their large-heartedness has greatly contributed in making the rural kitchens smokeless. So far, more than 1 crore LPG consumers have given up their cooking gas subsidies since the launch of this campaign. In Gujarat alone, 4.5 lakh consumers have given up LPG subsidies. Meet Kinnari Yen, a simple housewife. Inspired by the Prime Minister's appeal, Kinnari decided to give up her LPG subsidy.
गिव अप करके अगर कोई गरीब का चूल्हा जला सकते हो तो ये अपील हमें खूब मन को भा गई और हमने तय कर लिया कि एक गरीब अबला नारी जो चूल्हे फूंक फूंक के अंत में अस्थमा का शिकार होती है तो क्यों ना हम उसकी सुखाकारी में भागीदारी बने.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने अपील किया तो हमने सोचा कि चलो ये सब्सिडी छोड़ने से किसी एक परिवार को अगर उसका लाभ मिलता है तो उसमें कोई अच्छी बात है.
हमने सब्सिडी इसीलिए छोड़ी है कि इसके हिसाब से छोटे लोग को उसका लाभ मिले, गरीब वर्ग को, और जैसे लेडीज वर्ग को जो छोटी वाले उसको भी उसका लाभ मिले.
Those subsidies that were given up have now reached the households of poor people through the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana scheme. They will reduce the drudgery and the time spent in cooking. With active participation from people, the campaign is moving in the right direction to achieve its target of universal coverage of cooking gas in the country. Bureau Report, DD News.